what has not been going off my head is the kiss cam controversy. Have such studies come to you as a psychologist?
सो एक रिलेशनशिप में चीटिंग होता ही क्यों है इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस? और फर्स्टली लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड चीटिंग कितने टाइप्स का हो सकता है. हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट दिस?
Not at all, ma'am.
Cheating is as simple as this.
Yeah.
If you're not physically, sexually satisfied with your partner, then you're looking for it somewhere else.
Ma'am, I would say I have a US client and she is my co-founder now. She told me that her mother-in-law turned her child against her. I was like, ये वहाँ भी होता है?
हाँ, नार्सिसिज्म सब जगह होता है.
I want to understand here because you are also a mother now to two people who are going to be married in probably the next 3 to 5 years. What are your fears?
My husband was already working full time, but I worked part time to keep the balance. Okay, feminine is compromised now.
Yes.
Both of them are tired. तू चाय बना कि तू चाय बना हो रही है आजकल. So कोई भी नर्चरिंग और नरिशिंग के लिए बचा नहीं है. So divorces का increasing rate पे चल रहा है मामला. Yes, Gauri. So when two people come together, there are needs, whatever needs you can come. But when I am entering a marriage, thinking and believing that ये वाली मेरी needs हैं और ये वाली needs मेरी fulfill होनी चाहिए इस marriage से, do I have any attention or focus on how can I bring myself to fulfill the other person's needs also?
Hello and welcome to Founder Focus for NIAP. Here we have a very special guest, the CEO of Mind Mentors, Ms. Bharti Rakheja, and I'm going to pick her brains on a very important topic today, all ranging from marriages, from the kiss cam controversy to what happened with the female murderers Muskan and Sonam Raghuvanshi, to actually how does a marriage work in India and do we need this institution today? So thank you so much, ma'am, for doing this with us.
It's always a pleasure, Gauri, to be with you. At every podcast, I have a fun time with you.
I'm so happy for that, ma'am. But today, not just as a healer, I want to inquire you as a journalist because NIAP tries to, show the mirror to the society.
Absolutely.
And what has not been going off my head is the kiss cam controversy. Now, cheating is something from the times of Brahma. If you remember the Pushkar story, Brahma married another woman just because he could not wait for Saraswati to come and join him in a puja. And then she cursed him. There was a result, action to reaction, the Newton law. Now, there is of course a reaction to the whole issue that the kiss cam controversy erupted for people. But in India, it's a rage right now. So what is your opinion? Like, have you been following this news? Have such studies come to you as a psychologist?
Let's understand this first as a layperson. Okay, Gauri. So एक रिलेशनशिप में चीटिंग होता ही क्यों है इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस? और फर्स्टली लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड चीटिंग कितने टाइप्स का हो सकता है. हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट दिस?
Not at all, ma'am.
सी, एक होता है एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर.
Huh.
Okay, it can be a sexual affair, it can be a physical affair, or whatever it is. Have you ever thought about having an emotional affair with somebody? That's also cheating.
Of course, that is micromance. Like if you're sending reels or playlists to somebody, my ex
Not
did
just
that to me.
Yeah, not just that.
Yeah.
So it is like if somebody is dissatisfied in their relationship or their level of satisfaction is something else and it doesn't match with the other person, they are looking out for the same thing with somebody else. Cheating is as simple as this.
Yeah.
If you're not physically, sexually satisfied with your partner, then you're looking for it somewhere else, whether it's a man or a woman. Okay. If you're not having that emotional connect with each other in the relationship, you're looking out for an emotional connect outside. That's an emotional affair. Right?
Of course, of
But
course.
emotional affair कम लोगों को समझ में आता है. And when men or women get involved into an emotional affair, they don't even count this as wrong.
Yeah, because
जैसे मैं तो सिर्फ बात ही करता हूँ.
हाँ टच थोड़ी किया.
Touch
But
नहीं
मुझे
किया.
लगता है मैम 10 times effect ज़्यादा है because this is a real story. In 2023, I was diagnosed with seasonal depression. And I used to sleep after 12 a.m. and my ex used to be up. Now we were in a live-in relationship.
Okay.
So one day I was just checking his phone because mine was boring. So मैंने सोचा हम दोनों का तो फ़ोन एक ही है. But हमारा फ़ोन एक नहीं था because I found out chats which disturbed me more deeply than if they had been of a sexual nature, because I know men, they're primal. So if they physically also get involved with somebody, they can get over and they can come back to their marriage. But when you see the same songs that he sent to you, the same playlists and the same
Right.
reels,
Right.
that cut me like a sword. And then he, had this entire panic attack and promised me and blocked this woman like it never happened. And I'm like, if I did the same thing to you, what would you say?
Correct.
So I think when women breach the boundary and be physical with somebody, and when men breach the boundary and be emotional with somebody, because men के लिए emotional होना बहुत मुश्किल है,
right.
women के लिए physical होना बहुत मुश्किल है. ये मुझे लगता है ये चीटिंग की लक्ष्मण रेखा है जब मैरिजेस टूट जाती हैं. ये मेरा बहुत preliminary analysis है. But now that you've been married for 27 years, you actually deal with women who come from all walks of life. Maybe they have narcissistic husbands. Maybe there are some husbands who come to you who have narcissistic
Yes,
wives.
yes.
So I want to understand that spectrum, because I am only 26, not married, but with two
Correct.
very major failed relationships. I want to understand what is it that I need to learn from you.
Thanks, Gauri, for asking that question in the first place. So let me tell you first clarification that men and women both can be victims and both can be narcissists. Okay, it's not just the men who are, who are carrying the tag with themselves. It can be women, and women are narcissists also.
They are.
And men are victims as well. Okay, so men also are dragging on with that burden of making this marriage work.
Because of the alimony factor, I believe.
Not just that, Gauri, because there's emotional factors involved. There are social factors involved.
Children.
They have to make it work. There are children
Yes.
involved. So both of them are in the situation that I have to make this marriage work. That burden is on them. Now, in case of narcissism, let's understand this is a spectrum, as you said. So there can be narcissistic qualities in people. Some element of it is in everybody, Gauri. But when it goes to that level of becoming a disorder, then it is highly, highly toxic for somebody to be in that relationship.
Definitely.
So only when it goes to that level of disorder. Now, having said that, there's another angle to this also, which, people, this has become a fairly common term now. Okay, earlier it used to be used by only experts who knew it. But now this is because, thanks to Instagram, thanks to social media, a lot of awareness is happening, which has a flip side to it also.
Like किसी को गाली देनी हो तो नार्सिसिस्ट बुला दो, वैसा हो गया है.
Right. And there is definitely a big flip side to it, which is that आपने कहीं से भी ये समझ लिया कि अच्छा ये 6-7 traits होते हैं narcissistic के. अब मेरे husband में या मेरी wife में एक trait है. Oh, he's a narcissist. She's a narcissist.
Yes.
So I clearly remember one case when she came to me. She was like howling, in within herself कि भाई मेरा तो husband narcissist है, ma'am. I want to have this assessment done and I want to know whether he's really that one or not. What should I do? I want to leave this marriage and all that. So इतना ज़्यादा वो overwhelmed थी. So I took her through this assessment and I asked her about 15-20 questions. Okay, some of them ticked, some didn't. Then I asked her a master question. That is your husband empathetic, genuinely? And she said, yeah, I sometimes feel so. So she wasn't aware of it, okay, completely. Then I asked her another question. That how much money do you have in your possession? Whether it's your money or your husband's money. So she said, हाँ 5-6 लाख रुपए पड़े होते हैं कबर्ड में हमेशा. I said, किसकी कबर्ड में? एक कॉमन कबर्ड है तो आई कैन ऑल्सो एक्सेस एंड ही कैन ऑल्सो एक्सेस. नाउ दैट वाज अ क्लियर मार्कर दैट ही, poor man, is not a narcissist, but she is having some emotional issues with him
and she's labeled him.
She feels unseen and unheard in the relationship for sure.
Yes.
Right, that's a different thing altogether. But for these reasons, if you term your partner, your spouse, as a narcissist, then you have dropped all hopes
Definitely.
for making this marriage work. And let me tell you that marriage is work.
It is.
It
yes.
is work of two people coming together. It is not the work of one person, whether it's a man or a woman.
No, ma'am, I've known you personally and you spoke about your marriage, that you were actually married and then you started working when you thought that now you have that institution in control, or maybe it's going out of control because of you being too much at home and too much in your own thoughts, right? So you were a girl who was probably, her job was to be a wife. It is a job. It is a
Absolutely.
full-time job.
Absolutely.
Couples today are coming together and deciding if the wife has to work or if the husband has to stay home, and vice versa.
Yes.
Because setting up a house, making sure it's functional and clean is a full-time job. But just because somebody's at home, like this was a conversation I was having this morning, that a man has a work-from-home job, the woman goes out to work. The man is seen as a nithalla. And the woman is seen as the breadwinner,
Right.
and both are looked down upon, because an overambitious woman is also a red flag to others,
Correct.
right?
Yes.
So in that respect, what were some challenges that you had to face, in your household?
Yeah.
Was there a narcissist involved? How did your husband deal with all this? Because I believe a marriage is a circle. and in that circle there are just two people, you and your husband. उसके बाहर बच्चे, उसके बाहर इन-लॉज, उसके बाहर दुनिया.
बिल्कुल.
अगर उनकी आवाज आप तक पहुंच रही है उस ग्लास चेम्बर में, तब आपकी मैरिज डूम्ड है. तो आपके हस्बैंड ने क्या आवाजें पर्कुलेट करने दी? व्हाट रियली हैपेंड देयर? आई वांट टू हैव एन इनसाइट.
So Gauri, I got married 27.5 years ago.
My
Okay.
God.
So the way marriage started was different, and the way it has evolved is completely opposite of how we started. So I started as a complete homemaker. My only ambition was to become the best housewife. Can you imagine? That was
can't.
my only ambition.
Yeah.
And today when people meet me, of course, when you're saying this, they can't even imagine me as a housewife.
Like, I know you cook very well. You gave me namkeen last time we met, but I cannot imagine you only cooking.
Only cooking, only cleaning. I mean, not cleaning, but only taking care of the house,
Yeah.
taking care of the family. And I was a very happy person, like that, being like that only. However, the situations changed, and now definitely the family that I got married into, they also had the same expectations that she will be, she's a housewife. And this was also discussed before the marriage also, that हमें नहीं चाहिए working लड़की. पहले तो यही discuss होता
पहले
था.
यही होता था
ठीक है,
डिस्कस.
हमें
मेरी
नहीं चाहिए
मम्मा ने
working
भी जॉब
लड़की.
छोड़ी थी
हाँ.
पॉलिटेक्निक
So
में.
they had ensured that I am not going to be a working person. I'm going to be a homemaker. However, they knew that I'm a very keen student. So I'm a learner. Okay, so I was then doing some computer course which had to got transferred. So because in between I got married. So they were very happy saying that, oh, we'll support her to study. And I continued my computer course. I finished it within 3-4 months जो जितना बचा था वो complete हो गया. And then again there was a question mark कि अब क्या करना है, because the way I was, my lifestyle there before marriage, I'm from Nagpur.
Yes.
And my lifestyle here is
Delhi.
absolutely opposite.
And West Delhi to is like a
हाँ,
GTA.
It's a Delhi culture. That's a different thing. It was a cultural change for me, of course. But lifestyle also per day
नहीं, बट वेस्ट दिल्ली मैं आपको बता दूं, साउथ दिल्ली तो बहुत मीक है, वेस्ट दिल्ली तो प्रॉपर जंगल है आपका.
So anyways, शादी हुई तो एक बहुत बड़ा लाइफस्टाइल चेंज वैसे ही था कि वहाँ पर मैं सारा दिन बिजी हूँ. मतलब आई वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, आई हैव माई स्टडीज टू डू, देन आई यूज्ड टू कुक. Okay, I loved cooking and I loved taking care of the house. I loved supporting my mom. So I used to manage all of that. I used to rush to college. Okay, college से वापस आए, थोड़ा बहुत और काम वाम किया. Then my father was a very strong man that way. He supported me and he taught me, how to handle business also to some degree.
Wow.
Yes. So that masculine energy came from him. Okay, so I grew up to be in balance of feminine and masculine both. And I'm really fortunate for that.
Ardhanareshwar, I would say.
Of course. So वो qualities मेरे अंदर आ गई थी. But heart of heart I always wanted to be a homemaker. But versus जब मैं यहाँ आई तो पूरा दिन मैं busy थी वहाँ. यहाँ आई तो the whole day I have nothing to do, because there people would come home for lunch. Here people would carry lunch in the morning only and they are not to be seen the whole day. So my husband, my father-in-law would go for work.
And I'm sure you would have had maids, तो आपको कोई
सब
cleaning
है,
और सब भी नहीं करना
सब है,
पड़ता होगा.
सब है.
Oh God.
But all you have is a lot of time for yourself and you have nothing to do now with it. And I was such a busy person there. So naturally वो एक बहुत downfall आया energy
That
में.
is depression. Like the reason
Yes.
I got depression was कि कुछ करने को नहीं
करने
है.
को नहीं है. There is no direction. So
Yes,
every day I'm
yes.
questioning myself. Where am I
You're
heading? Where am I
lost.
heading? Yeah. On top of that, a couple of very difficult people entered my life through my marriage.
Yes.
So वहाँ से और भी अब सारी एनर्जी कहाँ खप रही है, उनके साथ डील करने में खप रही है.
मैम यही
Right?
होता है when if you're in a good job and suddenly there is a manager who just sucks the life out of you.
Actually, हाँ.
तो आपको जो काम पसंद है, जो मतलब सपोज अगर 8 स्टोरीज का टारगेट है, मुझे 8 आवर्स दिए गए, मैं वो 4 आवर्स में कर सकती हूँ. बट किचकिच की वजह से ना 16 घंटे भी काफी नहीं.
Right. So then I had always had this question that where is my life heading? What am I supposed to do? What is happening? और बच्चे इतनी जल्दी प्लान नहीं किए कि चलो अभी let's understand each other and stuff. So
बट बैक
वो
देन यू हैड द फ्रीडम टू डू दैट, बिकॉज मेरी तो
I
दादी
was
ने
a
सिर्फ
different one.
डिक्टेट कर दिया था मम्मी को. सो माय मदर वाज बोर्न 9 years आफ्टर नाना नानी मैरिड. देयर वाज एन 11-year डिफरेंस. एंड देन माय मॉम्स फर्स्ट टास्क वाज बच्चा पैदा करो.
हाँ.
सो मॉम तो लग गई काम पे एंड
I
मे
was
में आई वाज
different, I'll tell you.
कंसीव्ड एंड
No, the environment was the same, but I was different.
गुड.
So I put a pause there.
Yeah.
Okay, and we chose. Of course, arguments भी हुए, सब हुआ, but both of us were together on this. So anyways, but वहाँ पर मेरी डिस्कवरी चल रही थी कि
मे
भाई
बी
करना
मार्कर
क्या है.
वन दैट हस्बैंड इज नॉट अ नार्सिसिस्ट. टिक मार्क, ग्रीन फ्लैग. मिस्टर अखेजा इज अ ग्रीन फ्लैग.
He is an absolute green flag, let me tell you
Wow,
that.
I'm so happy that you're so lucky.
Yes. सो वहाँ से फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क आया, एंड देन वो क्योंकि आई वॉज डीलिंग विथ two difficult people, as I told you, it was toxic environment that I was living in. I was going down the drain, honestly, Gauri.
I can
And I was
understand.
suggested that, you know, you, in order to for you to be sane, you have to do something productive in your life. So आपको पता है random ideas entertain करने लगे. Me and my little younger sister-in-law, she's you know very sweet gem of a person, and she suggested चलो भाभी कुछ boutique खोल लेते हैं, कुछ ये कर लेते हैं, वो कर लेते हैं. तो boutique was the first idea. Second idea was some cooking classes. I used to love cooking.
Wow.
So वो सब सोचा पहले.
Back in the day you wanted to be तड़ला दलाल जब
हाँ.
YouTube exist भी नहीं करता था. Wow.
Actually.
आज तो लोग आज मैं सर्च कर रही थी Amazon पे, there was like कैमरा सेटअप फॉर किचन.
हाँ,
अपने स्टोव पे लगा लो, फेस मत दिखाओ.
हाँ.
हेबर्स किचन ऐसे ही फेमस हो गया. आई स्टिल फॉलो दैट रेसिपी चैनल.
यस. सो अब वहां तक पहुंच गए, लेकिन वो सब में blocks और barriers आए because the family was not ready for it. Here comes my point, Gauri, that the women are undergoing an evolution, but the families are still the same old school, and India is still a culture of joint family.
Ma'am, I would say I have a US client and she is my co-founder now. She told me that her mother-in-law turned her child against her. I was like, ये वहाँ भी होता है?
हाँ, narcissism सब जगह होता है. So this is what? This
ये
is
तो मेरी दादी
triangulation.
ने सेम किया था.
This is triangulation, Gauri. So triangulation is a very big part of narcissism, and it happens everywhere. Narcissism word India में अभी recently आया है, and you can thank me for that. मैंने बहुत बात की इसके बारे में हमेशा. But बाहर तो ये बहुत time से prevalent है, और you know, because you know India still has a soft culture of not putting people in boxes.
Yes.
I would say I would also not prefer that. That's why we started this podcast with this idea that सब लोग narcissist नहीं है. जिसमें narcissistic qualities हैं वो भी full blown narcissist नहीं है, disorder नहीं है. So here girls need to be, or boys also need to be really clear with this idea. Go get your assessments done, not your, I mean your partners, because a narcissist would never come for an assessment.
Definitely.
But you go and get the assessment done and be sure of, you know, where things are going and is it really a narcissistic disorder or not. Otherwise you can save your marriage and way later you'll realize this, that oh, I made a mistake. So let's not do this.
I believe मैम कुंडली से ज्यादा ना मुझे लगता है माइंड मैचिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड यहाँ पे
100%.
आप और मैं पंडित बन सकते हैं. लाइक I believe that people look down upon ChatGPT for therapy, and of course it is not a therapist. I have tried it and then I came to you and then I went to Sejal
Of
also.
course,
मैं तो हमेशा यही बोलती हूँ, मुझे 2 थेरेपिस्ट लगते हैं, तो तीसरे भी आ गए हैं. 3 लोग लगते हैं मेरा दिमाग ठीक रखने के लिए. But the point here is, ma'am, if somebody knows how to use AI, like I was talking to you, कि how you can do palmistry with ChatGPT. So because it is mathematical, lines के क्या वो है, there is data only ना. कुंडली भी डेटा ही है. कुंडली निकालिए ना, पंडित जी के पास मत जाइए, आप अपना परप्लेक्सिटी से निकालिए. आई एम सॉरी टू एवरीबडी जिसका बिजनेस आज सफर करने वाला है, बट I would invest that money into counseling. And Pandits are good counselors. Like our family Pandit is a very good counselor. I would go to him to talk about my fiance,
Problems.
you know, whenever I have one. So I want to understand here, because you are also a mother now to 2 people who are going to be married in probably the next 3 to 5 years. What are your fears these days, you know, when it comes to the compatibility of
Right.
the other person coming in? And because I will tell you an anecdote, my dadi always used to talk about her mother-in-law, but whenever we used to listen to that story, हमें लगता था ये तो same यही सब कर रही हैं.
Yeah.
So how would you make sure that you don't become the kind of a family member that you had to face?
I will definitely come to this question, Gauri, once I complete your first question that you asked, right? So from there, you know, that idea came that I need to work, but I was not allowed to work for the sake of money, because it was a kind of unsaid, unspoken culture that, okay, women don't earn money. If they earn, it's a jinxed money, it's a bad money. So we don't need that. All right, so from there my struggle started, that I wanted to do something, and the more you're suppressed about something, the more, you know, with higher power you want to do that the same thing only. So somehow this was coming to me that I want to do something. But yes, that I thought कि चलो अभी काम करना allowed नहीं है तो पढ़ लेते हैं. And क्या पढ़ लेते हैं? Psychology पढ़ लेते हैं, because human behavior has always been my subject. So I finished my master's in psychology. Meanwhile, I got my son. He grew up. I put him in school. There I found my first guide. And there my journey as a counselor, as a psychologist began. Of course, it went high and low and high and low.
Definitely.
The balancing act is something that we need to talk about more, Gauri. No matter how far we have come, no matter it's a world of equality, all right? But I still would say that every single man, every single woman must learn the art of balancing. Why do I say that? Going out and earning is an act of masculine because it's an action. Okay. Nurturing and nourishing is the feminine act. Okay. I'm not discriminating here. I'm not talking about stereotypes. I'm talking about the energy. All right. Now, in today's time, when both of them are working, so it happened for me also then that I started
Clash हो गया
working.
ना.
I started working. My husband was already working full time, but I worked part time to keep the balance. Okay. So when both of them are going for work, both of them are coming back home tired and drained.
Yes.
Where is
Who
the
will take
nurturing?
care? Yes.
Where is the nurturing and nourishing gone? So the feminine is compromised now.
Yes.
Both of them are tired. तू चाय बना कि तू चाय बना हो रही है आजकल. So कोई भी nurturing और nourishing के लिए बचा नहीं है.
And ma'am, let me be very practical here. If you've studied case studies, Ben Affleck was caught cheating with his nanny. It's a very easy thing to decipher कि अगर दोनों masculine है,
हाँ.
नेचुरल
feminine,
इंस्टिंक्ट है ना
yes.
कि जो आपके बच्चे संभालेगी आप उसको वाइफ की तरह ही देखोगे ना.
Correct.
ये तो करवा चौथ की कहानी भी तो थी कि जो उसके पिन्स
हाँ,
निकाल दी थी
yes,
उसने उसको
yes.
वाइफ मान लिया
Yes,
था.
yes, yes.
सो आई बिलीव कि जितने भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड न्यूज हो रहा है ना,
हाँ.
गो बैक टू द बेसिक्स. दिस इज द स्कूल ऑफ लाइफ. दिस इज द बुक ऑफ लाइफ.
And we are 100% not talking about women not to be working anymore.
They have to, but they have to have a balance, I
वो
believe.
balance दोनों में बहुत जरूरी है गौरी, for men also, for women also, because as I said, there is a masculine energy in you, there is a feminine energy in you. You have to balance both.
मैम आपने कियन का देखी होगी. मुझे तो लगता है that movie was made far ahead of its time. I believe every couple should watch it before getting married, because
Absolutely.
ma'am, there are some men I meet these days who are not very ambitious, which is okay. But if that man is not ambitious and then doesn't want me to be also not ambitious, तो पैसा कहाँ से आएगा?
आएगा बिल्कुल. I agree on that गौरी. और फिर आपने पूछा मुझसे कि बैलेंस कैसे हुआ. So my marriage also went through highs and lows, like every other marriage, because marriage is work.
Of course.
And one has to mature enough to enter into this institution of marriage, for sure. Now, when I started working, this entire family, including my husband, they were not used to this. They never had this impression in mind that, okay, she is going to turn working. And
You were
she's
the
going
first generation working person now in
first-
both sides.
First woman on both the sides
My
to be
God.
starting to work, and first woman on both the sides to be making her own 7-figure income. So ये मेरे लिए भी नया था और ये मेरी फैमिली के लिए भी नया था ना गौरी. They were not used to it. They never had this idea in their mind. So when I started working and my work timing started, I started dedicating my timing for work also. So I used to get this constant reminder from my husband, from my in-laws, from other people around me, including my parents, कि उतना ही काम करना भारती जिससे बच्चे ना खराब हो, जिससे घर का बैलेंस ना
Same
बिगड़े.
thing my mother had to face when she started tuitions. और हमें पढ़ाते पढ़ाते एक फ्रेंड का बच्चा पढ़ाने लगी for money. Every time, मतलब मेरी मम्मा की तो पॉकेट मनी प्रॉमिस की गई थी, वो भी धीरे धीरे करके बंद कर दी. उसके बाद when she taught, उससे भी प्रॉब्लम. सो इतना ब्रेकडाउन हुआ मेरे पेरेंट्स की मैरिज का, दैट माई फादर यूज टू हाइड द टेबल्स कि नहीं पढ़ा सकते हो आप. एंड आई हैव नो शेम इन सेइंग ऑल दिस बिकॉज माई मॉम इज अ विक्टिम एंड शी नीड्स टू एक्चुअली नाउ now she teaches in school. And whenever I video call her, she's bright and glowing like you.
Correct.
So I am so happy then
Actually,
कि where was this light 25 years?
Absolutely.
They dimmed this woman. Like आप किसी को स्लेवरी के लिए लेके आए हो क्या? मेरी माँ अफ्रीकन जो पहले जमाने के थे वो हैं क्या?
Exactly, Gauri. So we need to respect the need of the time. So हम अब 27 साल से हम यहाँ पर आज की डेट में आ जाते हैं. Today it is the need of the hour for both of the people to be working and earning.
Definitely.
100%. At the same time, it is the need of the hour to be taken care of the feminine side also. And it is not really 100% the part of the woman to take care of the feminine. But how can you manage that? You asked me this personal question, Gauri, before we started this podcast, and I must take this opportunity to answer it, and everybody should listen to it. That when I'm working, I'm 100% in my masculine. My work also allows me to be in my feminine also, because
Definitely,
I'm
you're a
into
healer,
this.
you're a nurturer.
I'm a healer, I'm a psychologist, so I'm nurturing and nourishing through my work also.
Yes.
So that keeps the
You're
balance.
being a mother figure to so many.
Yeah, that keeps the balance, number one.
Yes.
Number two is, no matter how much money I earn, I remind my husband, gift तो मुझे आपसे ही चाहिए.
हाँ.
ये feminine है. And when you enter your feminine, I'm getting goosebumps as I say this. When you keep in your feminine self, your husband, your man gets a chance to exercise, experience, and empower his masculine self. बिकॉज ये नेचर का सत्य है. हम
बिल्कुल
कैसे
मैम.
भाग सकते हैं इससे?
मैम अगर आप पैलेस ऑफ इल्यूजन्स पढ़ें, चित्रा दिवाकर्णी is so beautifully feminized, you know, Mahabharata and Ramayana, and she's written about how the women Draupadi and Sita both are extremely powerful women. They can beat men at their game, but when she was in bed, then she was a doe. तो वो analogies होती हैं. Some days your
Right.
husband is tired, you've got to be the tiger then.
Why not?
But there has to be a tango.
Absolutely.
क्लैश नहीं हो सकता है. येन एंड यांग
Absolutely.
होता है,
Yes, yes.
वाइट एंड ब्लैक होता है. यू हैव टू
बिल्कुल.
बैलेंस द एनर्जीज.
Yes.
सो व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड दिस द हार्ड वे, that you sometimes need to let the man be the man, and sometimes when the man needs a nurturer, because the man is searching for his mother
100%,
in
yes.
that embrace.
Yes.
So you become that safe space that, you know,
हाँ.
I have experienced with one partner of mine. So what happened was they had a very bad day. They said मेरे को PMS हो रहा है. I was like, congratulations, you said that, because
Yes.
men don't say that.
Right.
Maybe he was so secure with his masculinity that he
Right.
said this.
Said it.
Then I just, you know, I was very sweet to him that day. I channelized my mother energy, my baby energy, you know, like just was a teenager to him. And I saw how much wonders it did for the next week.
Correct.
You know, it's an investment. I believe a marriage and sometimes mellowing down. मैं अगर
100%.
ईगो का झंडा लेके लहराते हुए चली जाती कि नहीं 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 तुम रहो अपने गुस्से में, मैं भी आदमी हूँ.
तो आज की डेट में डिवोर्सेस क्यों बढ़ गए हैं? राइट, वी नीड टू टॉक अबाउट दिस. डिवोर्सेस क्यों बढ़ गए? देखो, हर एक कमिंग टुगेदर, हर एक मैरिज में या हर एक रिलेशनशिप में देयर आर नीड्स. ओके, सो देयर आर इमोशनल नीड्स, फिजिकल नीड्स, साइकोलॉजिकल नीड्स,
Definitely.
social needs also, that I have a husband, I have a wife, we have a family.
And the need where wives are not working but then asking their husbands to earn an 8 crores or a 9 crore figure, you know.
Correct.
So sorry, 8 figure and 9 figure
figure.
incomes. And I mean, I am all for both of them working 50-50, but then the pay parity is not there. So if somebody has 10 years of experience, she will be earning probably 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs at max. The man can be earning a crore with the same amount of experience. There is a pay parity discussion even in Hollywood and Bollywood. तो हम तो कुछ भी नहीं है मैम.
Can I use something called as, or not called as, I don't know whether I'm devising this word right now, money shaming?
Yes, there is money shaming that women do with men.
Women, when they are pointed out, or they are, there's a general expectation that women need to be a certain figure or a certain physique, to be attractive.
Yes.
Now, aren't we shaming men for that, for money? The amount of
तुम्हारा
money they need
पॉन्च
to,
निकला हुआ
वो
है.
अलग बात है, फिजिकल अलग बात है, बट aren't we shaming them for money?
We
कि
are.
तुम्हें इतना तो कमाना ही है.
उसको देखो वो कमाते, तो आप तो उसकी मदर बन गए ना, जो वो
Exactly.
बचपन में मार्क्स
वो
के लिए झेलता
comparison.
था.
हाँ.
वो तो अब यहाँ आके
Yes.
बड़े होके भी तभी तो मदर इश्यूज मैम मैं देख रही हूँ.
हाँ.
मदर वुंड्स आर डीपर फॉर मेन.
Yes.
फादर वुंड्स तो है ही, द
हाँ.
एक्सपेक्टेशन वुंड्स,
हाँ.
बट मदर वुंड्स आर सो डीप दैट percolating into the marriage
Very
and it's
deep.
scary.
करेक्ट, 100%. अब यहाँ पर बात आती है वाई मैरिजेस आर नॉट वर्किंग एनी मोर. सो डिवोर्सेस का इंक्रीजिंग रेट पे चल रहा है मामला. यस गौरी. सो व्हेन टू पीपल कम टुगेदर, देयर आर नीड्स, there are social needs, there are physical needs, there are emotional needs, psychological needs, whatever needs you can count on. But when I am entering a marriage thinking and believing that ये वाली मेरी needs हैं और ये वाली needs मेरी fulfill होनी चाहिए इस marriage से, all my needs must be fulfilled through this marriage. Do I have any attention or focus on how can I bring myself to fulfill the other person's needs also?
Definitely, that is
I
something we
need
should.
to pay attention on that. So why marriages are failing these days, Gauri? Because everyone has become self-focused. What am I getting out of it? What is my security? Okay, what is my this thing? What is my sexual satisfaction? What is my social satisfaction? I'm talking about a particular case right now that the girl wanted the man to gift her a solitaire ring. Not for the sake of love, because sake of love होगा तो वो man अपने आप देगा ना.
वो तो गाना है ना, शीश महल ना मुझको सहाय, तेरे संग सूखी रोटी भाई. बट
हाँ.
सॉलिटेयर जहाँ आ
लेकिन-
गया वहाँ तो लस्ट है ना.
और मुझे चाहिए, मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि आउट ऑफ लव allow the other person to gift it to you. बट मुझे चाहिए. अब क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि मुझे पहनना है और मुझे फ्लैश करना है, मुझे पहनना है, अपने फ्रेंड्स को दिखाना है, मुझे पहनना है और सोशल मीडिया पे डालना है. सो यहाँ पर मीनिंग नहीं चेंज हो गया लव का.
बिल्कुल.
यहाँ पर
इट इज अ
मीनिंग चेंज हो गया.
ट्रांजैक्शन. You give me
100%.
sex, I give you solitaire.
Right.
So aren't you like other better than the Madonna and the whore like पूरा वो एक prophecy था. This is taught in English books and psychology.
Right.
So you
Yes.
are becoming that, you know.
So why marriage is a failing, Gauri? Because one, self love के नाम पे everyone has become self focused.
Yeah.
Self love is not selfish.
Hmm.
Self love is such a pure thing to have. Self love really means, in reality, that I want to fill myself up with love so much that love oozes out of me.
Yes. I don't
What-
need somebody to complete
What
me.
stays in the cup
Yes.
belongs to me.
Yes.
What flows out belongs to you.
You, yes. So abundance, that is the concept of abundance, right?
100%.
कि you don't complete me, you make me abundant.
Now-
तो मेरी life की prosperity बन जाओ.
100%. And now, Gauri, when I am coming from the place of emptiness, now where is emptiness coming from?
My
Trauma.
wounds, yeah.
Your trauma, your wounds, your childhood.
Yes.
Okay, whatever you suffered, however you suffered.
Past
But-
lives probably.
But
Whatever modality.
Mostly, girls and boys are coming into a relationship from traumas, that is for sure. But they are coming into this relationship treating it as therapy.
Yeah, see, I will tell you very honestly, ma'am, our partners are our unpaid therapists. मैंने तो अपने exes का बहुत दिमाग खाया है. लेकिन the concept here is that they cannot give me the solutions I want. Probably, if suppose somebody is feeling sad, their way of feeling happy is maybe kissing their partner, maybe having intimacy. But for me, maybe I need an ice cream or a hug, or in that moment, I need to talk to my mom, right? So, how can I expect somebody to understand my own needs when I am so disconnected with my own inner child?
That is the thing, Gauri. So, as I said, that one person is expecting the other person to fulfill me, do therapy on me, or make me feel healed.
Yeah.
The other person is also coming from a broken space. Do we understand that? Two broken people or two traumatized people coming together expecting कि तुमसे मुझे थेरेपी मिलनी चाहिए, तुमसे मुझे थेरेपी मिलनी चाहिए, कैसे मिल सकती है? Unless and
ये तो
until.
लोगों ने भी बोला ना कि कई बार 80-20 का वर्क होता है. Some days you will be at a 20% energy, some days your
बिल्कुल,
partner will be at a 20% energy. Now you say no, मेरा तो 50 का ही कोटा है, मैं तो 70 पे रह जाएगी मैरिज.
But this is the outward action we are talking about, the behavior we are talking about. Your behavior need not be in focus, Gauri, if your energy is in the right place. So you need to heal your energy. You need to work on your traumas first. You need to close those open loops and cracked pots.
Yes.
You have to first work on the childhood trauma that you have been carrying for so many years, the broken self-concept that you are coming from, and first you heal that. First, you work on yourself, and then you bring yourself into that energy with which you attract the other person of the similar kind.
Definitely.
With a broken energy, I will attract a broken partner. With a healed energy, with a whole and complete energy, I will attract a healed, loving, kind, caring, nurturing partner. And both of them need nurturing and care, not just the man, not just the woman. Both of them deserve, and both of theirs
The
need
man is also the human ना, मतलब उसको तो हमने demon monster क्या क्या बना दिया, रावण का अवतार दे दिया, बट ताड़का भी तो औरत थी, सूर्पनखा भी तो औरत थी, रामायण तो इंस्टिगेट उसी ने की, वो भी बेचारा राम कृष्ण विष्णु हो सकता है ना. हम उसको वैसे देखें, हम उसको शिव की उपाधि दें, तब तो शायद हमें पार्वती की रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगी. बट मैम, माई क्वेश्चन नाउ इज फॉर समबडी हु इज प्रॉब्ली अनहील्ड, लाइक आई हैव बीन इन द हीलिंग जर्नी फॉर 5 years. सो अब जाके मेरा करियर क्रैक हुआ है, दैट आई हैव गॉट अ क्लैरिटी आफ्टर सो मेनी जॉब चेंजेस एंड एवरीथिंग दैट आई वांट टू बी दिस पर्सन. नाउ इन रिलेशनशिप्स आई एम स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग, यू नो, बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन माई सेल्फ दैट ब्रीदिंग स्पेस कि इतना सारा वर्कलोड हो चुका है कि अभी वो एनर्जी को क्लीन करने के लिए. नाउ बट सपोज 2 years लेटर आई मीट यू एंड आई से मैम आई एम रेडी फॉर मैरिज. And now there is a girl who comes with me who is ready for marriage too, but she's not done a day of therapy. So on that girl's perspective, how much time do you feel that she needs healing for, like a lump sum amount? आप मुझे बता दो कि उसके भी दिमाग में टारगेट रहे कि जब तक मैं 100% हील नहीं होंगी, मैं किसी मैरिज ऐप पे रजिस्टर करके मैरिज करने नहीं जाऊंगी. एंड व्हाट इज द आइडियल एज अकॉर्डिंग टू यू? नाउ देयर वाज एन आइडियल एज इन योर जमाना, मे बी 21, मे बी फॉर माई मम इट वाज 25. नाउ व्हेन आई टर्न 25 वाज लाइक शिट, मेरी तो मम्मा वाली एज ही निकल गई. अब मैंने फिर सोच लिया अब मैं 30 पे करूंगी सीधे. बट देयर इज नो मैथ, राइट? यू आर रेडी व्हेन यू आर रेडी. अब मैं रेडी हो सकती हूँ, मेरे को तो कोई दूल्हा ही नहीं मिल रहा है, तो मैं अपने बिल्ले से तो नहीं कर सकती शादी. नाउ द फैक्ट हियर इज, and I also by the way know people who have married trees and dogs and other like things to get their mangal dosh off and everything. And I want you to, you know, bust these myths and एक तरीके से show a path to the women of today, because you are somebody I inspire from when I have to, you know, channelize my feminine and be a woman in a married
Right.
institution.
Right. So multiple questions here, Gauri. Let's separate them first. Okay. So first question I think you asked me was it the age of marriage or before
Yes,
that?
yes. No, I mean, how much, suppose
How much
I
time
at
does a person need?
28
Right.
deciding to get
Correct.
married.
हाँ.
So if I haven't done my inner work, suppose I'm a person who's not done healing. So how much time do you think that person needs for healing? Number one is that.
Right. So Gauri, I would not give a time frame to this at all, because you may get ready within a month of reflection. You may need a couple of months, couple of years rather.
You said ना कि 1 year तो आपको minimum
1 year
लगता
तो
ही है.
मिनिमम लगता ही है. अब आप समझने की वाली बात ये है गौरी कि आपका इंटेंशन शादी में जाने का क्या
क्या
है.
है?
So if it is a fear based intention, it's a pressure based intention. Oh, I'm 29. Oh, I'm 27. Oh, I'm 31. I need to marry. I need to marry. I need to marry. We'll talk about age in a bit. Are you coming from the space of fear and pressure, or are you coming from a space of wholeness and love? These are two different things, Gauri. होता क्या है, आप एक आइडियल मैरिज में देखो क्या होता है आजकल की डेट में, एटलीस्ट दिल्ली में मैं ये ऑब्जर्व करती हूँ कि अगर लव मैरिज है, यू नो योर पार्टनर, हाउ मच एवर यू नो, you want to go ahead, have a Manish Malhotra lehenga, and you want to go ahead and have a, you know, pomp and show wedding. Okay.
I planned one for myself and you know about it.
And of course, see, that is very good. I have no problems with that. But have you focused enough on having communication with your supposedly partner, your
Yeah, the
supposed
fiance,
partner,
the partner.
about the life that you are ensuing together?
Yeah, what happens after marriage? Like
What
what happens
happens-
after Cinderella has the happy ever after?
Exactly. So about kids, about living in together, about living with the family or without the family, who will manage the expenses? If we pitch in together, then what is the percentage? How will the money be leveraged? ये सब बातें आज की डेट में ज़रूरी हैं गौरी, because I'll tell you this, the current marriages, why they are failing is because the brand new BMW is still running on the Maruti engine. No offenses to BMW and Maruti, please.
वो PR हम handle कर लेंगे, आप चिंता
You
मत
got it
करो.
right. So the brand new machine is working on a very old engine. It has to be outdated and it has to stop working,
Yeah.
and there has to be a breakdown. Now we need to reform the way marriage is looked at. We need to have a new angle towards marriage. And in case of arranged marriages, what happens? दोनों families एक दूसरे को ढूंढते हैं, पकड़ते हैं, टिक मार्क होता है, चेक बॉक्सेस होते हैं, ओके, मनी वाइज
Marksheets देखी जाती हैं.
मार्कशीट्स देखते हैं, पढ़ा लिखा
Background
कितना है,
checks.
टॉल डार्क एंड हैंडसम है, स्लिम एंड
Yeah.
ब्यूटीफुल है, गोरी है, बाल लंबे हैं, ठीक है, ये देख लिया आपने, चेक बॉक्स मार लिया. बट वंस अगेन, एंड देन देयर इज एन एक्साइटमेंट, द गर्ल इज गेटिंग इनटू डाउट्स और द बॉय इज गेटिंग इनटू डाउट्स एंड नोबडी टॉक्स अबाउट इट बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज हाइपर एक्टिव. अरे कपड़े नहीं कैसे बनेंगे, चलो 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 चांदनी चौक जाना है, लहंगा देखना है, ये करना है, वो करना है.
They
यू
don't give them time to think.
नो कनेक्शन.
Cold feet हो ही नहीं पा रहे.
लड़का बोल के आ रहा है, बोलने आ रहा है कि मम्मा मुझे कुछ तो भी डिस्कम्फर्टिंग लग रहा है. ओ ऐसा होता है बेटे, ऐसा हर मैरिज में होता है. वो होते ही हैं आपके टीथिंग इश्यूज, वो होता ही है आपको ये सब नर्वसनेस, एंजाइटी होती है, ये तो सबके साथ होता है.
One of my
तेरी
close
shopping
friends
करके
told
आते
me
हैं.
कि उसके भाई का रोका हुआ, and I was about to congratulate him the next time I met, and वो कहती रोका टूट गया. मैंने बोला क्यों, ये क्या हुआ? कहती he came one day to the dinner table and said she used to beat him up, being a girlfriend.
Oh.
And suddenly I just realized that it's not the men who are abusers, because touchwood मैम,
हाँ.
मुझे कितने भी नार्सिसिस्ट मिलो, किसी ने मुझ पे हाथ नहीं उठाया.
हाँ.
But women doing this is really unsettling for me, you know. I mean, and here is
बिकॉज वुमेन को गौरी एक वो मिला हुआ है ना, एक फ्रेम मिला हुआ है, नर्चरिंग एंड नरिशिंग, which is true. But do we forget that women are also carrying masculine and the masculine is now getting imbalanced?
Ardhanarishwar, yes.
It is getting imbalanced now. See, both the genders are coming from a deep rooted insecurity, Gauri. Women को जो भी torture वाले phases आए थे, okay, उनको सिर्फ वो examples याद है. वो भूल गए कि उसके पहले women were the most empowered species in this
Yeah.
entire world.
We chose our own husbands in India.
Especially Indian women.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. So why are we forgetting all of that? We need to reconsider the entire history to have the right perspective towards men and women both. On the other side, women have also been, clever and toxic and whatnot in
Cunning,
the
I would say.
entire history.
Yeah.
And so is today. So what my point is, let's consider them souls. Now, two souls coming together, they are both broken, they are both hurt, they are both insecure, looking for each other to fill them up. कि ये मेरा सिरेमिक पॉट को, मेरा जो क्रैक है ये सीमेंट बनेगा और ये उसको पैच करेगा. एंड मैं भी इसी एक्सपेक्टेशन से आ रही हूँ. और दोनों में टकराव क्यों होता है? शादी के पहले साल में मोस्ट ऑफ द कपल्स विल फाइट. Why?
मैम 1 month में डिवोर्स हो रहे हैं.
Why? Because I am coming in with an expectation he will fill me up. He is coming with an expectation she will fill me up. खुद का ही खा लिए तो क्या फिल करोगे आप
एंड
दूसरे
मैम
का?
आपने बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट बोला. सोल्स पे तो हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था. जब आप कहते हो कि टू कपल्स आर सोल्स एंड नॉट मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन, यू आर ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ सेइंग दैट इट्स ओके फॉर LGBTQIA to be legalized in marriage because
Why not?
there is a masculine and a feminine. Like I went to a very famous
100%.
comedian's show and she's bisexual and I loved how she was talking about her girlfriend. So people think कि अच्छा दो लड़कियां साथ रह रही हैं तो कुछ नहीं है, या कॉन्वेंट में जा रहे हैं तो कुछ नहीं है. Love finds you in the weirdest of places and
Right.
sexualities have gone 58. People are falling in love with boats and aeroplanes also. क्योंकि जितना comfort उतने ज़्यादा complications. But the basic question comes in, which was kind of the root of this podcast, is the female murderers. Now, you and I have become CEOs. Maybe 20 years back हमारे को ऐसी कोई पोजीशन होती भी नहीं होगी. मैं CEOs आइडलाइज करने के लिए बहुत
Right.
कम होती होंगी. अभी आप बता रहे थे जैसी पॉडकास्ट शुरू हुई कि आपकी कुंडली इंदिरा गांधी जैसी थी. बट इंदिरा गांधी की लाइफ में क्या स्ट्रगल्स थे?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Didn't have a
बिल्कुल.
happy marriage,
Right.
right? Was always accused of being a certain way. Was accused of breaking her family, being this and that and whatever. I'm not going to get into the politics of it, but I want to now understand that women have been raped, molested, maybe taken for granted, marital rapes, sati, everything has happened with women, and that has become genetic DNA, and which is why we become oppressors to men. That is something I have understood. But now the media, what is happening is, I'm not saying that media is a male dominated space, but still, the minute a Sonam Raghuvanshi case or a Muskan Rastogi case comes, it becomes the news cycle. And news cycle की लाइफ होती है 7 days से 10 days एटलीस्ट. तो 7 दिन तक मैं रोज ये वीडियो देख रही हूँ. एंड जो फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने आपका मीडिया इंटरेक्शन देखा था वो अमर उजाला के लिए, व्हेन यू टॉक्ड अबाउट द TCS एम्प्लॉइज सुसाइड, एंड अतुल सुभाष वाज द ट्रिगर टू ऑल ऑफ दिस. नाउ टेकिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल द सेम इशू, what is happening and what is the solution to it?
100% Gauri, women are coming from deep rooted insecurities, brokenness, clash of culture, absolute confusion about role and responsibility. Why do I say this? Because मेरी मम्मी तो feminine थी ना. 100%. She was a non-working lady.
Yes.
She was an at-home mother. She was only nourishing and nurturing. She was doing her role well. There was absolute clarity about her role. There was absolute clarity about the father's role also, the man of the house's role also. So वहाँ clarity थी. धीरे 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 इक्वालिटी आने लगी. Women fought for equality कि हमें भी काम करना है, हमें भी बाहर जाना है, हमें भी आइडेंटिटी चाहिए. लो जी मिल गई, या आपने बना ली, वेल डन, गुड जॉब. अब आप कर रहे हो काम. अब यहाँ पर कहीं कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो गया है कि मैं काम तो करूँगी, मेरा पैसा, तेरा पैसा, मेरा पैसा. ये भी हुआ है.
I know a couple like that.
Right.
कि when she gifted, मैम मेरी ना दादी एक स्टेटमेंट कहती थी जो मुझे आज दिख रहे होते हुए, कि आदमी जब खर्चता है ना वो भूल जाता है और औरत सुना सुना के वापस निकाल लेती है वो पैसा.
100%.
I don't like that, मैम. If I've
Right.
gifted you something, I
Right.
cannot keep quoting it कि
हाँ.
मैंने तो भारती मैम को मैंने दिया था, अपने मन से दिया था, उस टाइम दिया था, और
बिल्कुल.
योग लिखा था तब दिया
तब
था.
दिया था.
तुम्हारा क्या पैसा है?
बिल्कुल.
हम तो यूनिवर्स हीलिंग करते हैं ना, तो हम जानते हैं कि
100%,
हमारा तो
हाँ.
कुछ है ही
है ही
नहीं.
नहीं. लेकिन कमिंग बैक टू द सेम थिंग गौरी, कि अगर आपने पैसा कमाया, आपने जिद की थी ना, तो द वुमेन रीना, द वुमेन एक्चुअली फॉट फॉर इट, दैट वी वांट टू गो आउट, वी वांट टू अर्न. बहुत बढ़िया बात है, आपने बहुत अच्छा किया, अब कमाओ, अब करो. नाउ देयर इज अ न्यू सेक्शन, और अगेन दैट सेक्शन ऑफ वुमेन इज बीइंग सीन कि जिनको काम नहीं करना है. They want to be homemakers.
And yeah, America से आए revolution, by the way.
I
This
don't
is
know,
like
हाँ.
the laid back woman, the feminine
Right.
woman,
The
you know.
feminine woman.
I just want to wear my apron and cook for my husband and you know.
Right.
And हम
So-
मेरे को वो triggering हो गया कि
So वो
मेरी तो
बेचारा
मम्मी यही कर
man,
रही थी.
वो बेचारा मैन, आप विमेन को छोड़ो एक बार के लिए, लुक एट द मेंस साइड. वो बेचारा मैन जो तब से अडेप्ट ही कर रहा है अपने आप को. अच्छा, समटाइम्स यू नो द विमेन नीडेड टू बी वांटेड टू बी होम मेकर्स, तो चलो जी मैं भागूंगा, मैं दौड़ूंगा, मैं पैसा कमाऊंगा.
Hunter gatherer.
हंटर गैदरर था. नाउ द सेकंड फेज केम व्हेन द विमेन वांटेड टू वर्क. ओके, आई विल अकोमोडेट, भैया मैं भी एप्रन
मैं भी
पहन
थोड़ा
लेता हूं.
feminine ले आता हूँ. हाँ.
मैं भी एप्रन पहन
मैं भी
लेता हूं.
कोविड में बर्तन मांज
So
लेता
we
हूँ.
had fathers. I remember when in my childhood my father wasn't like that. But yes, I also remember my father used to make egg wali dal. You know, it was his speciality. He would also love to cook.
Yes.
But there were fathers, my friends' fathers, who would take the role of cooking quite often. And nurturing also quite
And
often.
I know my own family में the mother
तो वो-
basically
हाँ.
the father never entered the kitchen.
हाँ,
Like
बिल्कुल.
पानी भी डालने के लिए ना he would indicate कि ला
पानी
कर
ला
दो.
हाँ. So there were kind of those men also who adapted according to the needs and desires of the women.
Yes,
Okay?
yes.
Who went against their family structure also.
Like my
आप
दादाजी
एक बार के
का-
लिए ना एक लड़के का सोचो. एक लड़का एक मेल शोविनिस्ट फैमिली में बड़ा होता है. बेटा है, बेटा है, बेटा है. ओके, बचपन
चिराग
से
है हमारा.
वो उसके कोडिंग है कि लड़का है, तू क्या खाने बना रहा है, लड़का है, तू क्या ये कर रहा है. तो वो बड़ा हुआ, उसका कसूर नहीं है ना गौरी. वो बड़ा हुआ है इसी आइडिया से कि मैं मैन हूँ, और 16 साल की उम्र से वो प्रेशर कैरी करा कि मुझे कमाना है. लुक एट देम वंस. अब ये बड़ा हुआ है, अब अगर वो किचन में जाता है, वो जाता ही नहीं है, और जैसे ही जाता है तो सब हंसी उड़ाते हैं उसकी, तो वो जाता ही नहीं है. नाउ सडनली द वुमन कम्स. नाउ हु इज अ न्यू एजेड वुमन.
Yes.
Now
Who was
she
raised as a
expects-
man probably in her house जिसका कोई
हाँ.
भाई नहीं था, somebody like me.
Right.
मैं तो बोल दूंगी कि
So
आज
she
मैं
is a-
चाय नहीं बनाऊंगी, आज तू
हाँ.
बनाएगा.
So she, because women evolved ना. आप समझो, पहले women का evolution हो गया. तो अगर मैं बड़ी हुई ये समझते हुए कि हाँ मुझे फेमिनिन रहना है, बट मेरे से 5 साल बाद ही लड़कियां आ गई जो कि इस आइडिया से आई थी कि कोई मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन नहीं होता, इक्वल होता है. ठीक है. नाउ दिस गर्ल whom you married with all your love expects you to also take care of the kitchen sometimes.
Yes.
Now this boy, आप imagine करो इसकी plight. This
हाँ,
boy,
ये मम्मी का बन के रहे कि ये बीवी का बन के रहे,
100%,
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आ गया
because
ना.
अभी तक तो ये था कि मैं नहीं लूंगा पानी, मैं क्यों पानी पिलाऊं किसी को, मैं क्यों काम करूं. Now suddenly if he has to keep his wife happy, he has to go to the kitchen and take the sarcasm of the other family members, because वो तो छोड़ेंगे नहीं.
Yes.
आ गया जोरू का गुलाम. आ गया. अब देखो, अब बीवी आई है तो अब सारा काम आ गया इसको. पहले हम बोलते थे तो कुछ नहीं करता था. वो मजाक से भी बोले ये sarcasm है गौरी. Right? Now can we imagine the men's plight in this? Now coming back to the same question that you asked me कि why divorces are taking a
मैम
huge
डिवोर्स
height.
से ज्यादा मुझे तो सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न है दैट men are not taking divorce when they realize the marriage is doomed, and women are killing men
Killing
in
men,
order
right.
to go
Yes.
and mate with the partner. वो फैमिली का भी हो सकता है, उनका पहले का बॉयफ्रेंड भी हो सकता है. लाइक सोनम रघुवंशी का तो सीधा सा केस है कि
Right.
तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड था.
है. तुमने शादी क्यों की?
मैम मैं तो भाग जाती मंडप से. पहली बात तो मैंने अपनी मम्मी या पापा को इतना दिया ही नहीं था. मैं तो बचपन से बोल के रखा था मैं कोर्ट मैरिज करूंगी, अपनी
Right.
पसंद से करूंगी. आप लोगों की अरेंज हो गई थी, मेरे को नहीं करनी. मैं बचपन से आई बीन वेरी क्लियर हेडेड ऑन दैट. तभी शायद मेरी हो ही नहीं रही है अभी. बट द फैक्ट हियर इज दैट I was very sure of what I want. I don't want to be put in a circumstance. Like even if I chose a career of journalism and left it, I don't want to blame anyone for it.
Right.
I always have blamed people for the decisions they've imposed on me. Now this woman, she was the woman of today ना. अगर वो murder plan कर सकती है 11 दिन before the murder, वो भागना plan कर लेती है. Bollywood में भी तो validated है ही ना. वो better एक अच्छी story बन जाती rather than this crime story which now Amir Khan is going to produce. I told you yesterday, right? So this Meghalaya murder case is going to be produced by Amir Khan as a movie.
Okay.
It's out in the news.
Right.
That means how much gripping it has
Yes.
on people's
Yes.
psyche. And Amir Khan, I know, is somebody who is a mental health advocate. उसकी अपनी बेटी थेरेपी ले चुकी है, उसने अपने आप को हील किया है
Right.
from parent divorces and everything. So in that context, I want to ask you, if today a woman is watching this podcast of ours, we have to bring her back into the fold. She might be plotting a murder of her husband or her boyfriend or somebody. अपने बच्चे मार देती हैं कुछ औरतें, लाइक जो गांव देहात की हैं. क्या हो रहा है ये एग्जैक्टली? बिकॉज यहाँ इक्वालिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए थी मैम.
ये बात इक्वालिटी की है ही नहीं गौरी. मैं फिर भी यही कहूँगी, दोबारा से यही कहूँगी कि इट इज़ ऑल ट्रॉमा दैट इज़ कमिंग अप in the adult life, your life is, my life is not random, Gauri. We both have worked on it. So now we can say we are not living by default. We are
Yes,
living by
we've
design.
restructured. Yes,
We have
we've
structured it.
rescripted our realities.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Now, in these cases, whether it's a man killing the wife or it's a woman killing the husband, why woman पे इतना focus आता है? Because वो nurturing और nourishing का frame अभी
मैम
भी चल
गुड
रहा है.
गर्ल सिंड्रोम जो आपने पहले
Good girl
पॉडकास्ट में
syndrome.
बोला था,
Right.
आफ्ताब चॉप्ड अप श्रद्धा, पुट हर इन अ मेहरौली वाला फ्रिज. हमारे व्हेन आई वाज इन अ लिव इन रिलेशनशिप हमारा मजाक उड़ता था कि कौन किसको काटेगा.
Oh God,
तो वो कहते थे उसको तो काट नहीं सकते, वो फिट नहीं आएगा.
Oh.
बट वी यूज्ड टू मेक फन ऑफ दिस
Fun of
केस,
it,
राइट?
हाँ.
And now you were seeing that men are getting touchy on this subject. Like I registered on a marriage app in February, and the men go like, यार औरतें एक तो एलिमनी बहुत लेती हैं, दूसरा ना मतलब शादी से पहले एलिमनी डिस्कस हो रही है बाय द वे, एंड देन देयर सेइंग कि आजकल तो औरतें खूंखार हो गई हैं. सो दैट पुट मी ऑफ, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई टुक द 2 year ब्रेक कि मेरे पास टॉम क्रूज का भी रिश्ता आएगा, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए अभी.
I understand.
Because I want to first understand my own needs, and this is going to be my final question also, which you can sum up together, that do we need marriage today? Like because your children are also of marriageable age, I am your child, I am also of marriageable age, but मैम मैं अभी घर जाके अपना खाना खुद बना लूँगी, मेरी मेड आके मेरे कपड़े समेट देगी बिकॉज मुझे नहीं पसंद वो काम करना. आई एम एबल टू अर्न माई ओन ब्रेड एंड बटर, आई हैव अ टीम आई हैव टू सपोर्ट, आई हैव कैट्स, तो मेरी माँ बनने की भी वो लालसा इनके साथ ही पूरी हो जाती है.
ठीक है.
Does an Indian woman or an Indian man, or probably somebody watching this in the West, need marriage? Because my mother has given up on the idea of another partner, but my client Kathy wants to be married at 60 because and this is going to be her third marriage and she's happy and
Right.
proud about it. So I know that maybe I am answering my own question, that it depends on what you need as a person deep down, which is your inner child and your healing journey. But still, seeing the society evolve so much, being so self focused, self independent. नहीं तो आजकल लोग मैरिज में आ रहे हैं. मुझसे किसी ने मैरिज ऐप पे पूछा ओपन मैरिज करेगी, मैंने बोला मैरिज ही क्यों करनी है,
हाँ.
तू हुकअप करके चले जा. तो in that respect I want to ask you, do we need marriage today as an Indian 25 plus adult? Is marriage doomed?
Yes and no. Why do I say yes, Gauri? The old structure, the old system, the old face of marriage is doomed. If, as I said, new car with an old engine is doomed. So marriage as an institution is not doomed, but the new frame of marriage has to be run on with a new frame of engine. We all need to sit and also evolve through the evolved structure of marriage. अब evolved structure क्या है? Equality definitely is there. Both earning is there. Who takes care of what roles and responsibilities needs to be redesigned because the structure has been reset.
Definitely.
Okay. So again, I would say marriage coming from the space of fear, needs, desires, brokenness, whole and complete. आप मुझे करोगे whole, मैं आपको करूँगी, या फिर मैं देखूंगी कि मुझे कौन whole and complete करा है. Coming from that space, marriage is doomed. Coming from the stereotypical kind of background of marriage is doomed. Okay. If you continue or the family continues to expect the marriages, today's marriages, to be running on the same lines as how 30 years old, 40 years old, 70 years old marriages would work, then it is doomed.
Definitely.
But when you're coming from the space of healed energies coming together for the sake of companionship, you asked me what is the need, ma'am. You asked me कि मेरा ये need ये पूरा कर रहा है, वो need वो पूरा कर रहा है, मैं earn कर रही हूँ, मैं सब कुछ कर रही हूँ. What is the need? You tell me. There is a human need of connection.
Ma'am, still it hurts when I enter an empty house. It does hurt.
Exactly. कितने chat GPT हो जाए? You needed a therapist, you said. कितना ही आपके सारे वो flings हो जाएं, hookups हो जाएं, आप situationships हो जाएं. Okay, you are earning, you are doing everything, but you need to handhold somebody. You need to feel loved. There is a need to give love also.
Yeah.
That's a human need to give love.
Yes.
And feel loved. There's a need to feel secured with somebody. There's a need to go and have an ice cream with somebody who really loves you. There is a need to sit together in silence and let the ice speak.
Definitely.
And this is not something coming from old school. This is coming from the space of being human, Gauri.
Ma'am, because you have been treating clients my age, so you know the whole spectrum of 18 to
100%.
60.
Yes.
आप एक चलती फिरती किताब है, which is why I recommend everyone to watch this podcast. Leave your comments, leave your questions for Bharti ma'am, so that the next time I bring her here, you can ask your questions in your way. I will just have the mic, but it will be your voice. We definitely need this conversation to be going, but I know you're short on time, ma'am, and so are we.
So, one last message to the listeners, to the watchers here. Please, before going into any relationship, heal yourself, understand yourself, reflect on yourself, and understand where are you broken? What do you need to repair first? What do you need to heal first? So that you can attract a healed person firstly, and then you can enter into this marriage which need not be broken. Then it will be a thriving relationship. Gauri.
Definitely, ma'am, and thank you so much for taking out the time and taking us patiently through this. मैं तो कह रही आज के लड़के यही देख लें, so they will have a marriage counseling for free. But you've got to like, share, and subscribe to pay us something for this, because we've taken out the time for you. And keep watching Neep for the latest on news and updates.